Hello, today I'm reviewing this extra large mouse pad for my table, and I also want to mention that this video is not sponsored. However, the seller provided me with this mouse pad so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. So right off the bat I want to mention that this one is actually 55-inch long by 24-inch wide, and this one could be actually perfect for my table. I also want to tell you that this is not the best table in the world, so I absolutely love that this mouse pad can cover it all, and it's also will look very nice. I also love that this one has nice stitching on the sides all over the place, and right in the back this mouse pad has non-slip rubber back. So let me actually install it on my table and then I can show you the end result. And here's the end result with this extra large mouse pad, as you can see, and I'm just using the regular table right now until my desk will comes in. And I really love that this mouse pad gives me that nice cool vibe, so you can't even tell that this is just a cheaper type of table I'm having right now. And yeah, if you're looking for a good mouse pad for your space, for temporary or for longer solution, this mouse pad is actually covers you. I love the non-slip rubber bottom in the back. I love how easy I can glide in with my mouse. Overall, if you have an older type of table like I do and you want to freshen it up and it makes it look more like a desk, and I highly recommend to check out this extra large mouse pad. I absolutely love it. I love how easily my hand can move with my mouse, and it looks really good for temporary solution. Love it. Highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.